Hi everyone, this is Noor and welcome back to my channel. So before I go ahead and start off with this video, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button to get notified every time I upload a new video. It will really mean a lot to me and it'll also make me really happy. Please. So before I go ahead and start off this video, I want to wish all my brothers and sisters, the Muslim community, a happy Eid. I really hope you guys enjoyed this Eid. I know I'm probably late by the time I edit this video and post it, but I just wanted to wish everybody happy Eid. And in this video, I'm actually showing you my get ready with me video / my everyday makeup, and also showing you my Eid outfit at the end of this video. If you guys are interested, stay tuned. Also, a little FYI, I am featuring a lot from the Scholl plastic surgery DIY video that I did. There's a lot of tips and tricks that I'm actually referencing in this video. So if you guys are interested, keep on watching. So the first thing I went ahead and I started with is that I applied a primer, and I used my Milk Hydro Grip primer, and I love this stuff a lot. And next I'm going to be using my foundation, and this is the Too Faced Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation, and I'm going to take that with my fingers. Don't hate me on this, but I actually love the finish that it gives to my skin. And I'm just going to apply this foundation all over. I like this foundation because it has kind of the same texture as a BB cream, so it's quite light, and I like that for the summertime. And I like to get down and dirty with my makeup, and if I don't do that, I just feel like I'm not having fun doing my makeup. So that's why I like to use my fingers, and your fingers are honestly the best tools you can ever have. If you have a wipe or anything, you can just go ahead and wipe your fingers if you use the foundation with your hands. This would be a good tip to touch other stuff and not ruin everything with foundation. So I just go ahead and clean my fingers with the wipe. Easy breezy. Beautiful cover girl. Yeah. Next step is concealer, and I'm using my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I love this stuff, and this is in shade Almond. If you guys are wondering what shade is my foundation, it's in shade Sand. So now I'm going to be taking my concealer. I'm going to add a dot here, add a dot here, and I'm going to wing it out, and I'm also going to add a little bit here too. I'm going to take my sponge. I'm using my MFMA sponge. If you guys want me to do a review on this sponge, let me know in the comments down below and I'll do a full video for you guys. And I'm just going to take the sponge and I'm going to blend everything out. Now I'm going to go ahead and contour. Other than I look like a panda right now with white under my eyes, I'm going to go ahead and contour. It's literally going to bring the whole face together. So I'm using my Juvias Place Foundation Stick in Addis Ababa, and I'm going to just contour my face. I'm going to suck in my cheeks, and I'm going to go ahead and contour from there. This is a tip from Scholl in my previous video. In my contour for the jawline, I saw Nikita Dragon contour her jawline from the back of her ear all the way down, so I'm going to try it. So let's go ahead and do that. So she puts it right there and then she brings it all the way down. I've never done that before, but let's see how this is going to end up like. And I kind of ruined it here, but it's fine. It's gonna make probably my chin a little bit more pointier, so let's see how that's going to be like. I'm gonna take my brush to blend it all in, so I'm just gonna tap it. So my face is slowly coming together. I'm also going to contour my crease in the eye. So this is also a really good tip to just kind of add a little bit of contour going on. And I'm also going to do my lips as well. So like this. I'm gonna take my brush again, and I'm going to just lightly contour my eyes as well. This is going to help just kind of guide you with your crease if ever you want to put an eyeshadow. I like to do that because it helps me with my eyeshadow after, so it could be a tip also for you if you're... Next, I'm going to highlight, and I'm using my all-time favorite. This is from MAC. This is the Prep and Prime highlighter pencil or pen or whatever. It's actually a brush. It's not even a pen. And you just twist it for the product to come out, and the shade is Bright Forecast. And I'm going to just highlight my face. So I'm just going to do that down the nose here, to slim the nose a little bit on the tip. There, and then forehead, chin, jawline. Is that the jawline? Or the cheeks? Here, and just a little bit on your smile line, like that. I look weird. Now I'm gonna take my sponge and I'm going to blend everything out. Foundation, concealer, contour, everything cream and liquid I am actually done with right now. Now I'm gonna move on to powders, and the powder I've been loving, it's my Lancome. This is the Dull Finish powder. These are amazing. I think I raved about it in my previous video as well, and this is how the powder looks like. This is actually the darker shade for my summer, and I also use this powder in the winter as well, and it smells so good. Add this powder right under my eyes because I tend to crease there, and I'm just gonna take my sponge. To also use your damp sponge on powder, I find it lasts a little bit better on your face, and I'm just going to tap that under the eye. And when I do that, I like to look up to really get into that eye crease. It just lightly highlights my face and making it look matte. I also like to put it in between my brows right here, and also the little smile line because I do tend to crease just a little bit there as well, and chin. Chinny chin chin. And then I take it and I also dab the rest on my eyelid. I'm gonna let everything set for a bit. I'm going to use my Urban Decay All Nighter spray. I'm just gonna spray my face and move on to the brows. For brows, I'm going to do them off camera because it says same exact way that I did it in my previous video, copying the DIY plastic surgery from Amber Scholl. It's exactly the same thing what I'm going to do for my brows. I'm going to be using my NYX Precision brow pencil. This is in ash brown. Then I'm using my NYX as well. This is the tinted brow in brunette. And I'm going to be using my Benefit 3D brown tone in shade 2. And I'm just going to go ahead and do that off camera, and I'll be back to show you the rest of the face. Alright, so the brows are on. I also went ahead and I did one eye. I'm kind of doing it very similar to my Amber Scholl video again. Sorry, I'm referring to that video a lot, but I just kind of changed up a little bit, maybe one shadow that I changed up. I am using the Thirsty palette from Jeffree Star again, and I'm going to use this shade right here, and then this shade right here, and then this shade right here. I actually need to do this video quite fast now because I need to run. I'm going somewhere. I kind of started already with the brown shade off camera. I was like, oh no, I have to do this eye. So yeah, let's get started. So the first one I'm going to be taking is this light brown shade. All the shade names are going to be in the info box down below. So I'm taking it with a big fluffy brush, and I'm going to apply that on the outer crease, bringing the shadows upwards. And I'm also going to bring it just a little bit under the brows right here. Next, I'm taking kind of like a smaller shader brush. I'm taking that same brown, and I'm going to pop that on the lower lash line, just smoking it out. And now I'm going to be taking the darker brown right here, and I'm going to take the same brush and also put it all over the lower lash line. And I like it because it gives me a little bit of a definition, and I'm going to blend that out like that. Now I'm gonna take the shimmery shade right here, and this one is called Snatched. Sorry, I did not say the other names. This one here is Subtle, I believe, and Drizzle, and then here Snatched. So I'm gonna take Snatched with my ring finger. I like to use this with my finger because I find the shimmer shows way much better. So I'm just going to get that and tap that all over the inner corners, bring it upwards like that. There is no wrong or right way for this. I just want the shimmer to be in the inner corners right here. And this really pops, you guys. I love this shade so much. I mean, where's this palette when I got married? I don't get it. It's just, it's so, so, so beautiful. Now I like to go ahead and create my wing liner. Again, I'm gonna do this off camera. I did it the same thing as the other video as well. So I'm just going a little extended line here, just swinging it out and applying lashes. Then I'll be back to finish up the face with you guys. So wing liner and lashes are on. For the lashes, I use the House of Lashes in Noir Fairy Lit as well. They look like that. It's short from the inner corners and long in the outer corners, which I like because it just like wings out my eye and I love that. So for bronzer, I am using my Too Faced bronzer, and this is the Chocolate Soleil bronzer. I don't know what's the name. I think it's Chocolate Soleil. That's all. And I'm going to take it and I'm going to contour my face, just enhancing it a little bit more. And I'm also going to contour my nose as well. I'm gonna take my blender and I'm just going to just lightly blend it out, not making it look too harsh. For blush, I'm going to be using my MAC blush. This is in Cheek Poland. That's a really old blush, but it looks a lot like Peaches a little bit, except this one has a little bit more of a bronzy tone to it. It has a peachy tone, but yet like a tanned peachy tone, which I like. I'm using the Jeffree Star 24 karat palette right here, and I'm going to be taking King Tut right here. I love this highlighter so much. I'm going to apply that with a big pointy fluffy brush from Morphe, and this is the Jacqueline and Morphe in JH09, and I'm just going to highlight my face. Look at that. You can definitely wet your face if you want before applying the highlight to make it pop more, but I'm just going to do a subtle, you know, like a light highlight. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips. I'm gonna be doing a nude lip. I'm using Hover from MAC lip liner, and I'm also using Celebrity Skin from Jeffree Star. I'm going to overline my lip and apply this, and I'm also going to do that off camera. I really hope you guys enjoyed my get ready with me, my kind of everyday makeup. This is literally what I kind of do every day right now. Everything that I use in this video is going to be indicated in the info box down below. Make sure you go ahead and check it out if you are interested in any of the products that I use. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye! Okay, so let's show you the outfit, my Eid outfit today. This is what I'm rocking. I really hope it was sunny though. It's quite rainy outside, but I'm still gonna rock my Eid outfit because I love it. So I have this skirt from H&M. I really love. This top is from Forever 21. Belt is from Dynamite. Purse is from Michael Kors. The black and the gold theme kind of going on today, if you guys didn't notice. And then I have my gold chain and my black shades. Oh, Dusty is there. Sorry, I put like a random sheet on my bed. This is not actually the sheet, but this is the sheet that it's easy for us to just kind of jump into bed after. And not the decorative one, because I do have one, but I was lazy today, so yeah. And then I have my Christian Dior glasses because I don't see, but they transform into sunglasses, which is awesome. And then for shoes, I have these cute little heel sandals from Little Burgundy. So comfortable, I love them. And then for watch, I have my Michael Kors watch. This is the three-toned watch, and this is kind of gold, rose gold, and silver. I love it. And then I have my wedding ring here, my promise ring here, and that's all. So that is my outfit for the day. It's quite simple. It's quite hot and humid outside, so it's perfect. Esty, you want to say hi, Mama? He is so lazy. His new thing is actually hiding between there. So he was there, but he came out. So yeah, so that is Dusty. That is actually my master room. Again, if you guys want a house tour video, let a girl know and I will get it done for you guys. And happy Eid to all of my Muslim friends, sisters, and brothers. I hope you guys had a wonderful Eid, enjoyed it with the family, and ate a lot of sweets and desserts. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed my video, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!